Hello friends, a very welcome to Silk Zone. Today again I am here with a very beautiful collections of viscose silk weaving cutwork sarees. As you can see, the saree is very beautiful in color, which is in a grey. And let me tell you one thing, all the sarees which I am going to show you in this videos are available in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can have a look to our entire collection over there. We have much more collection in our website, and just let me tell you friends, these sarees are very beautiful and lightweight sarees. These are you can call these sarees as a soft silk also. The saree is having a weaving design all over the saree in the silk type, like silver zari design is made in, like a weaving design is there, as well as in the pallu and all over the saree, which is in a buta shape. And the saree is also having silver border in the both side of the saree, and all the sarees include blouse pieces. And let me tell you one more thing, the best thing of this sarees are very beautiful, which is just available at the ₹999. These sarees are very beautiful and very lightweight and very awesome collections. And let me tell you one more thing friends, that you are getting these sarees in this list price just because you are directly purchasing from a manufacturer. You are not going anywhere for these sarees to purchase. This means you are directly purchasing these sarees from the manufacturer, so that's why you are getting these sarees in this list price. These sarees are very beautiful in color, as well as the design is also very beautiful. Now we are having the weaving design in all over the saree, which is like silver designs. And if you have any kinds of queries and you want to talk to us before purchasing these sarees, then one number is visible to your screen, as you can see, that is 9916448165. You can directly call on this number, or else you can directly WhatsApp us in this number. And if you want to purchase through WhatsApp also, you can take a screenshot and you can text us in the WhatsApp to purchase these sarees. These sarees are very lightweight and soft silk sarees, and as well the sarees are also known as viscose silk sarees. These sarees give you the pure silk look like a tussar and like other silk sarees, but these are viscose silk sarees. And these sarees are also known as soft silk sarees. The cost is just only $999. In the price of $999, you are going to get these beautiful sarees, and beautiful color combinations are also here. See, this dark navy blue saree, which is also having a weaving design in the pallu, and all over the body. The design you are seeing, this buta type design, is there in a triangular shape, which is a weaving design of silver color. And same as silver design, silver border is there in the both side of the saree, and so many color combinations are available with us. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can order yourself over there. And our website is there given in the right side top of the screen, you can see, and the number is also contact number and WhatsApp number is also visible. And price is just only ₹999 from the Silk Zone. The very beautiful collection, very beautiful color combinations are available here. And let me tell you friends, if you are looking for purchasing these kinds of saree for the Diwali purpose, then for the Diwali occasion we are going to give you one big discount offer. And for the more details about the discount, you can go to our link and you can click there and you can get the further information about this discount. See, this green color is very beautiful, and same it is having a silver border in both sides of the saree, and having a triangular design in a silver weaving design. Viscose silk weaving sarees, very beautiful, very awesome color combinations. See, this the dark pink one, it is also very beautiful and very lightweight sarees these are. Once you are going to wear this, you are going to look very awesome, very attractive and very beautiful friends. These are very easy to wrap also, the sarees. And as I told that each and every sarees from Silk Zone include blouse pieces. We don't used to give the sarees without blouse pieces. All our sarees include blouse pieces. See, the another color combination is here. All the sarees are having silver design only in a triangular shape, and these designs are in weaving design as in a buta shape in all over the saree. And pallu is also having a like lining designs, and border is also very beautiful, and blouse pieces are also matching blouse pieces are available with each and every sarees from the Silk Zone at the price of just ₹999. You are not going to get this sarees, this kinds of beautiful sarees anywhere, because you are getting this sarees in this less price just because you are purchasing directly from a manufacturer. And the sarees are very beautiful. You can have a trial of the sarees. You can purchase few, and if you will feel the best, then you can purchase some more from us. The sarees are very lightweight, awesome collections, and very beautiful collection sarees at just ₹999. And you can see, if you want to contact for any kinds of queries, you can directly contact us on the given number, which is visible in the screen, that is 9916448165. You are able to contact us. And this is the another pink, baby pink color sarees, which is also very beautiful saree friends. This is a very awesome collections from Silk Zone sarees, the awesome one friends. And friends, much more collections are available in our website, that you can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can directly purchase over there. Also, as I told you that you can take a screenshot also, and you can share us in the WhatsApp to purchase this sarees. This will be also considered as your order only. Thank you so much friends for watching my video till now, and I request all you to follow our channels and don't forget to press on the bell icon, so as soon as I'll posting the video you will get an immediate notification and you can see our latest collection from Silk Zone. Thank you so much friends for giving your precious time to watch my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and press on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a good day.